Remember the year 2000. The trio of Gregoire Besson, Case IH and BP broke the 24-hour World Ploughing Record. 210 acres in place of the old record of 180 acres. The achievement was easily within the capability of the first ever 17-furrow plough to be manufactured. The most imposing ever seen. But the best was yet to come. Who would have believed it? At Gregoire Besson, our record would soon be broken. On 26th and 27th March 2002, in the southwestern part of France, Gregoire Besson, this time with the help of Massey Ferguson and BP, smashed its own ploughing world record. 251 acres ploughed in 24 hours. For our users, this performance is significant because it was achieved with two standard ploughs straight out of the Gregoire Besson catalogue, a 4-furrow front-mounted and a 13-furrow rear semi-mounted plough. For Patrick Besson and his team, this was an exciting challenge to try and improve on our own world record and to show technical innovations which constantly push forward the limits of the implements on offer to the users.
Nous avons choisi de battre à nouveau ce record du monde pour prouver une fois de plus les qualités industrielles et techniques de Gregoire Besson. Les qualités appliquées sur le matériel haut de gamme sont ensuite déclinées sur le matériel moyen et entrée de gamme. Nos performances sur ce matériel de haute technicité sur les différents marchés où nous sommes présents prouvent la vérité de notre action.
After talking to our customers to identify their needs, we integrate the most modern computer-assisted design techniques to build Gregoire Besson ploughs, which are made to measure. Products are fabricated using high-grade steel on modern cutting and tooling machines. And quality is controlled step by step. Gregoire Besson is a family-owned company located in Montigny, in the west of France. They export today throughout the world and have founded subsidiaries in Canada, Central Europe, Great Britain and Spain. Their reputation was widened to include disc harrows in both X and V formation, which are manufactured at Bergeneuse in the north of France. Also to rollers and tined implements that are fabricated at Quimper on the west coast of Brittany. The image of this new world record for Gregoire Besson confirms the reliability, sturdiness, strength and performance of each of the implements offered to the customers of Gregoire Besson.
Les charrues utilisées lors de ce record étaient uniquement des charrues de série, ce qui prouve la qualité des produits offerts aux utilisateurs. Et je dois d'ailleurs dédier ce record à tous les utilisateurs de charrues Gregoire Besson.